You know how many miles your trucks ran this week? Do you know which ones actually made money? LoadStop is the AI-first TMS built for asset-based carriers. One platform that connects dispatch, fleet planning, shipment tracking, trailer management, and billing, so every part of your operation works together. LoadStop Fleet Ops Planner gives dispatchers a live view of every driver, truck, and load across the fleet. It tracks individual performance down to revenue per mile, profit margin, and utilization rate per driver, so you know exactly which trucks are making money and which are not. The LoadStop Dispatch Control Room gives operations managers a terminal-by-terminal view of load demand versus available capacity. When a gap appears, dispatchers assign an entire driver's load plan and send it in one click without chasing anyone down. LoadStop inbound-outbound planning shows where freight is concentrated and where trucks will come off empty. LoadStop network plans then lets you build the repeatable lane loops that keep trucks loaded on the way back. LoadStop shipment tracking gives your team live visibility into every load on the road. SLA breach alerts surface before the window closes, not after. And LoadStop SLA Audit classifies every service failure as preventable or non-preventable, with the responsible party logged, so your team walks into every customer conversation with documented evidence. LoadStop Trailer Pool gives fleet managers a real-time status view of every trailer across every location, organized by what each trailer is doing right now. When a trailer is available, you search by city, see which loads match, and pre-plan the assignment before the truck ever moves. LoadStop Document Audit uses AI to review every POD and BOL as soon as it is submitted. It automatically checks for missing signatures, date mismatches, and document quality issues, so billing starts on clean records and driver settlements close in days, not weeks. Every module connected, every load planned and settled from one platform. That's LoadStop.